Reactions of aldehyde and ketone. Here reactions of aldehyde and ketone contains first 4 reactions are completed in previous lecture. That is, first reaction is addition reaction, second reaction is condensation reaction, then third reaction is haloform reaction, fourth reaction that is aldol condensation reaction. Then today we see here fifth reaction, that is Cannizzaro reaction. In this Cannizzaro reaction, aldehyde which do not have alpha hydrogen atom, do not have here alpha hydrogen atom. We know that alpha carbon atom and alpha hydrogen atom. Here alpha carbon atom means a carbon atom which is attached to the carbonyl carbon is known as alpha carbon atom. Alpha hydrogen atom means a hydrogen which is attached to the alpha carbon atom is called as alpha hydrogen atom. In this Cannizzaro reaction, aldehyde which do not have alpha hydrogen atom, म्हणजे यामध्ये alpha hydrogen atom असत नाही, alpha hydrogen नसतो, do not have alpha hydrogen atom, here is heated and react with concentrated NaOH, or concentrated KOH in such a way that here one molecule of aldehyde gets oxidized to give acid and the another molecule of aldehyde gets reduced to give, that is alcohol. Means here self oxidation reduction reaction. Self oxidation reduction reaction means this is also known as disproportionation. Self oxidation reduction means disproportionation reaction under the influence of base like here concentrated NaOH or concentrated KOH, and that type of reaction is called as Cannizzaro reaction. See here examples. Here first simple Cannizzaro reaction. In this reaction here formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, these two aldehydes do not contain alpha hydrogen atom and therefore they undergo this Cannizzaro reaction. Take two molecules of formaldehyde. In case of first formaldehyde, that is HC double bond OH plus another molecule of formaldehyde HC double bond OH, two molecules of here aldehyde plus concentrated NaOH. Two molecules of aldehyde reacts with each other in presence of base like concentrated NaOH. This concentrated NaOH is 50%. Formaldehyde do not have alpha hydrogen atom, therefore they undergo Cannizzaro reaction. This first molecule of formaldehyde undergoes oxidation to give an acid product. Means here this HCO and this ONA is attached to this carbon atom. Then we get here HC double bond O and this ONA is attached to this carbon atom, means ONA. Here Na positive charge or negative charge दिला तरी चालतोय, नाही दिला तरी चालेल. Plus this double bond breaks to get a single bond. hydrogen is attached to this oxygen atom. Then we get here this H, C, H. Here this H and this O gives OH. And this H is attached to this carbon atom. Means this is CH3OH. Means this is known as methanol. Because this is alcohol, that is a methanol. Here first aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, undergoes oxidation to give a sodium formate. Means aldehyde which do not have alpha hydrogen atom, and this react with concentrated NaOH or KOH. Then one molecule of this aldehyde gets oxidized. This is the oxidation product. Oxidation product. One molecule of aldehyde gets oxidized to give here acid like sodium, that is formate. And another molecule, this molecule gets reduced to give a alcohol, that is a methyl alcohol. Means this is a reduction product. One molecule of aldehyde gets oxidized to give acid. Here HCOONA means this is a sodium formate. Here formic acid is changed to sodium formate by NaOH. And this product is oxidation product. Another aldehyde gets reduced to give alcohol. Means this is the reduction product. This is the first example, that is two molecules of here formaldehyde. If we take benzaldehyde, formula of the benzaldehyde is C double bond OH plus another molecule of benzaldehyde C double bond OH. When two molecules of benzaldehyde react with each other in presence of concentrated NaOH heated, then one molecule of this benzaldehyde gets oxidized to give here acid, that is here this C double bond O and ONA group is attached to this carbon atom, then get a product C double bond O. Then this ONA is attached to the carbon atom. Here ONA. This is known as sodium benzoate. And this product is known as oxidation product. Then another molecule of benzaldehyde gets reduced to give alcohol. Here this benzene group double bond breaks to get a single bond. This hydrogen atom is attached to this oxygen atom. Then we get here OH bond, and this hydrogen and carbon gives as, that is benzene. Then C, this H, here OH and H means CH2OH. This is known as benzyl alcohol. This is known as benzyl alcohol. This is a reduction product. Means one molecule of aldehyde gets oxidized to give acid. Another molecule of aldehyde gets reduced to give alcohol. And thus here the self-oxidation reduction means one molecule gets oxidized at the same time another molecule gets reduced, means the self-oxidation reduction, means this is also known as disproportionation. And the self-oxidation reduction under the influence of base, that is NaOH, and that type of reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. This sodium benzoate, this is the derivative of benzoic acid. Here H is replaced by Na, means benzoic acid is changed to sodium benzoate with NaOH. This is oxidation product and this product is a reduction product. This is a reduction, that is a benzyl alcohol. This is known as simple Cannizzaro reaction. Then in case of crossed Cannizzaro reaction, Cannizzaro reaction. In case of crossed Cannizzaro reaction, this reaction takes place in between two different aldehydes. Here not a same aldehyde, here two different aldehydes do not have a alpha hydrogen atom. These two different aldehydes not having a alpha hydrogen atom is heated and react with concentrated NaOH or concentrated KOH. Then one molecule of aldehyde gets oxidized to give acid and another molecule gets reduced to give alcohol. Here for example, here formaldehyde, formula is HCHO, formaldehyde, and benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde formula is C double bond OH. This is a benzaldehyde. Two different aldehydes do not have alpha hydrogen atom. Here carbonyl ला जो कार्बन एटम अटॅच असेल त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, अल्फा कार्बन एटम. हियर अल्फा कार्बन नॉट प्रेझेंट. इन दिस केस alpha carbon atom is present but alpha hydrogen atom is not present. Therefore this benzaldehyde and formaldehyde do not have alpha hydrogen atom. Reacts with and heated with concentrated NaOH. Concentrated NaOH, that is 50%. Then this formaldehyde undergoes oxidation to give a sodium formate, that is HCOONA, and we get a product HCONA. This is known as sodium formate. One molecule of aldehyde gets oxidized to give here sodium formate, and this benzaldehyde gets reduced. Here hydrogen atom is attached to this oxygen atom. This hydrogen is attached to this carbon atom. Then we get here plus C double bond O. Here single bond, double bond converted to single bond, and H is attached to this oxygen atom. Therefore here OH. Then this H. And H means CH2OH. This is known as benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. This is a reduction product. This is a oxidation product. Means here two different aldehydes are taken. Therefore, this is called as crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Here in this reaction, this sodium formate. This is oxidation product. This is a reduction product. This sodium formate gets converted to, that is formic acid on acidification, that is HC double bond ONA plus HCl, dilute HCl, then this gives HCOOH plus NaCl. This is known as, that is a formic acid. Means sodium formate gets converted to formic acid with on acidification, the reaction with HCl. This is the fifth reaction, that is a Cannizzaro reaction. Then Here sixth reaction is that is oxidation reaction of aldehyde and ketone. Oxidation reaction of aldehyde and ketone. Oxidation reaction of aldehyde and ketone. First, in case of aldehyde, here aldehyde are easily oxidized to give a carboxylic acid with the same number of carboxylic acid, means with the same number of carbon atom. It gives aldehyde easily gets oxidized to give carboxylic acid having same number of carbon atom, and here oxidizing agents are used as acidified K2Cr2O7, then alkaline KMnO4, then CrO3 or dilute HNO3. These oxidizing agents are used in this reaction. Here first aldehyde, general formula is RCH double bond O. On oxidation, in presence of here K2Cr2O7 and dilute H2SO4, then this gives carboxylic acid, that is RCOOH. This gives carboxylic acid with the same number of carbon atom. For example, acetaldehyde formula is CH3CH double bond O, CH3CHO. On oxidation with K2Cr2O7 and dilute H2SO4, then this gives, that is oxygen is added, therefore this is known as oxidation reaction. Here CH3COOH, CH3COOH, this is known as acetic acid. This is acetaldehyde. This product contains 2 carbon atoms. This reactant contains 2 carbon atoms, means aldehyde are easily oxidized to give carboxylic acid with the same number of carbon atom. But in case of ketone, here ketone does not undergo oxidation easily, because in this case ketone contains a breaking of COC bond is difficult, means ketone, here in case of ketone does not undergo oxidation easily because the breaking of COC bond, and therefore here strong oxidizing agent is used like CrO3 or hot concentrated HNO3 is used. Then that time this COC bond of ketone breaks. Here general reaction is if RC double bond O R dash on oxidation in presence of CrO3 or hot concentrated HNO3, then this gives RCOOH plus R dash COOH, means here R may be same or R may be different. In case of symmetrical ketone, for example acetone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Why this is called as symmetrical ketone? Because both the alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon are same, and therefore this is called as symmetrical ketone. When this symmetrical ketone like acetone is oxidized by using CrO3 or hot concentrated HNO3, then this gives here 4 nascent oxygens are used, and this gives CH3COOH, means this gives CH3COOH plus this methyl group converted to CO2, CH3COOH means here CH2 and thrice oxygen. Out of this thrice oxygen, here CO2 is remaining 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen gives H2O. In this case, this is acetone, means acetone on vigorous oxidation or acetone on oxidation with strong oxidizing agent like CrO3, then this gives here carboxylic acid like acetic acid. This acetic acid contains less carbon atom than the starting ketone. Here 2 carbon atoms are present. Here total 3 carbon atoms, means 1 carbon atom is less than the starting ketone, that is acetone. Name of this compound is acetic acid. This is in case of symmetrical ketone. Then in case of unsymmetrical ketone, in case of unsymmetrical ketone, for example, here CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Name of this compound is, that is methyl. Then this is a propyl group, straight chain is present, therefore N-propyl, and carbonyl group, therefore ketone, methyl N-propyl, ketone, or this is also known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom chain. Therefore this is the derivative of pentane. AN is replaced by ONE, means pentan, 2 ONE, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second carbon atom la carbonyl group hai, therefore 2 ONE, E is replaced by ONE. Here this is an unsymmetrical ketone because here 2 alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon are different, and therefore this is called as unsymmetrical ketone. This unsymmetrical ketone on oxidation, here 3 nascent oxygen atoms are used in presence of CrO3. Then always carbonyl group always remains with smaller alkyl group. This is a smaller alkyl group, this is a larger alkyl group. This carbonyl group always remains with smaller alkyl group, and therefore this bond breaks and we get here 2 fragments, CH3CO, this is one fragment, CH3, CH2, CH2, this is another fragment, and these 2 fragments oxidize to give here first CH3COOH. This CH3CO त्यातला एक ऑक्सिजन हा एक हाइड्रोजन, then we get here CH3COOH, and another this CH2 is oxidized to give COOH, means plus CH3, here CH2, then COOH. CH3CO OH and CH3CH2COOH. These carboxylic acids contains less number of carbon atoms than that of the starting ketone. Here 2 carbon atoms. Here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. Here also 3 carbon atoms. Means this gives less carbon atom than that of the starting ketone. Name of this compound is 2 carbon atom. This is the derivative of ethane. E is replaced by OIC acid. Therefore, this is known as ethanoic acid. This is the derivative of propane, 3 carbon atoms. Therefore, this is the derivative of propane. E is replaced by OIC acid. And the name of this compound is propanoic acid. This is the second reaction, that is in case of aldehyde and ketone, oxidation reaction of aldehyde and ketone. Then seventh reaction, that is oxidation reduction reaction of 7. Here reduction reaction. Seventh reaction is reduction reaction of aldehyde and ketone. We know that reduction means addition of hydrogen, then removal of oxygen, then here decrease the oxidation number or gain of electron. These are the definitions of reduction. In this reduction reaction, first A is Clemenson's reduction. Clemenson's reduction. Here in Clemenson's reduction, aldehyde and ketone on reduction with zinc amalgam. Zinc amalgam formula is ZnHg. Aldehyde and ketone on reduction with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Here 2 molecules of concentrated HCl taken. Then we get here alkanes. Means aldehyde and ketone on reduction with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, it forms alkane. First, zinc amalgam reacts with concentrated HCl to give here this Zn, this 2Cl gives ZnCl2 plus this Hg plus these 2 hydrogens, that is 2 nascent hydrogen. In case of aldehyde or ketone on reduction with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, here carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group. Methylene group means CH2 group. कार्बोनिल ग्रुप से रिडक्शन होऊन काय येणार आहे, या ठिकाणी मिथिलीन ग्रुप येणार आहे. and therefore this reaction is called as Clemenson's reduction reaction. In this reaction, first in case of aldehyde, that is RCH double bond O. Aldehyde on reduction with zinc amalgam, that is ZnHg, and concentrated HCl, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, then this carbonyl group is reduced to here methylene group. Means here 4 nascent hydrogens are used. This carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group. Means we get here RCH. 2 hydrogen atoms are added. Therefore, this is the reduction reaction. Means carbonyl group get converted to methylene group. That is CH2 group, CH, and this H CH2 group, and remaining 2 hydrogen and this oxygen, we get here H2O. And this is the alkane. Means aldehyde on reduction with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, we get here alkane. Example is acetaldehyde. In case of acetaldehyde, CH3CH double bond O on reduction with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Zinc amalgam react with concentrated HCl to give here nascent hydrogen. Here 4 nascent hydrogens are used to reduce this reaction. This carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group, means CH2 group, and we get here the CH3CH2. This group reduced to methylene group, means 2 hydrogen atoms are added to this carbon atom. Then we get here CH3 single bond CH3 plus 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, we get here H2O, and this is ethane. This is in case of aldehyde, and in case of ketone, for example acetone. In case of ketone, for example here acetone formula is CH3 C double bond O CH3. This acetone on reduction with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, ZnHg and concentrated HCl. This ZnHg and concentrated HCl, this gives nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen reduces ketone. This carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group, and we get here CH3, then CH2. Here 2 hydrogen atoms are added, means CH2 and CH3 plus 2 hydrogen and this oxygen, we get here H2O. H2O, and this is known as propane. This is acetone. Means ketone like acetone on reduction with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, this gives propane. Another example is that is acetophenone. This is aromatic ketone. C double bond O CH3. Acetophenone on reduction with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group. Then we get here CH2. This group is reduced to methylene group. CH2, 2 hydrogen atoms are added. Therefore, this is known as a reduction reaction. And CH3 plus these 2 hydrogen and oxygen, we get here H2O. The name of this formula is ethyl benzene. This is acetophenone or methyl phenyl ketone. This is the Clemenson's reduction. Then B part, this is first reaction, that is Clemenson reduction reaction. Then second, B is Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. Here B, Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. In this Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction, when aldehyde and ketone is heated and react with alkaline hydrazine, we know that the formula of hydrazine is NH2, alkaline hydrazine in presence of ethylene glycol as a solvent. and then we get here alkane. Here also carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group. This is reduced to, that is a methylene group, that is CH2 group. In this case, for example, in case of, that is aldehyde, for example, acetaldehyde, CH3CH double bond O, that is acetaldehyde, on reduction with alkaline hydrazine in presence of ethylene glycol as a solvent. First, this acetaldehyde react with hydrazine, that is NH2. This gives, this water molecule is removed. We get here CH3CH, then double bond NH2. This is acetaldehyde reacts with hydrazine, then it gives acetaldehyde hydrazone. Then this acetaldehyde hydrazone on alkaline here KOH in ethylene glycol, heated with KOH in ethylene glycol. Then this gives here, this carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group, means N is removed, and we get here CH3, this CH3, then this CH and this H2 gives CH3 and plus N2. This is known as Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. This is the first example, that is aldehyde, acetaldehyde on reduction with alkaline hydrazine in presence of ethylene glycol as a solvent. Then this gives ethane. Then another example, in case of ketone. In case of ketone, here this is the benzene ring, C double bond O, C2H5, C double bond O, ethyl phenyl ketone. When react with hydrazine, alkaline hydrazine, that is NH2. This water molecule is removed. Then we get here product, here C2H5, then here double bond NH2, ethyl phenyl ketone on reduction with alkaline hydrazine in presence of ethylene glycol, KOH in ethylene glycol, here heat, then this N2 is removed. We get here carbonyl group reduced to methylene group, therefore CH2, and this C2H5 means CH2, CH3 and plus N2, and this is called as N-propyl because this is a straight chain. 1, 2, 3 carbon atom means propyl group, N-propyl benzene. Here ethyl phenyl ketone on reduction with alkaline hydrazine in presence of ethylene glycol as a solvent, then this gives N-propyl ketone. Here also carbonyl group is reduced to, that is a methylene group, and this reaction is known as Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. This is the seventh reaction, that is reduction reaction. Thank you.